Yo! What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of, actually, this is my third episode of Dining with your boy, Chef Kirk. And now, this is a very special episode to me because guess what? It is my 40th birthday! Yo! I can't believe 40 years on this planet. But anyways, I just want to have some good time because I look good, feeling good. Look really good. Awesome good. Whatever. Anyways. So guys, on this episode of Dining with Chef Kirk, I had to bring back this person who's been driving me nuts. So, I want to do another Muppet. I'm like, listen, last time I couldn't get you to go home, but you decided to come back and do another one. So everyone, I want you to welcome Miss Beautiful, Strong, Sexy, the only Miss Tressfit is in the building.
Hey!
Yay!
Happy birthday, Chef Kirk!
What's up, girl?
Oh my gosh, so Chef Kirk, you know, I have to come
It
cute.
smells good. What you got on?
Don't worry about what I
My
got.
bad. I mean, it smells kind of good.
Don't worry about what I got on.
Smell
Okay?
kinda good.
Don't worry.
Smell
All right?
tasty.
I had to come
Tasty.
I can take my mask off?
Yeah, you can take your mask off.
Yo, girl, look, I got a lip gloss.
Oh, look at that.
I gotta be cute for somebody's birthday.
Somebody came fancy.
Oh.
I know where
My
you're
little
going.
mask,
I
I got
know
a
where
little
they're going.
Round.
I know where they're going.
Little.
They fancy these days.
Yes.
They fancy.
Mm-hmm.
So what's been going on?
Yeah, Chef Kirk, let me get seated. Can you table etiquette and stuff?
I'm just excited now.
I need a little bit of that as the gas.
Yeah,
Okay,
I guess
fix
so.
myself.
Yeah, fix yourself.
You
Get
know,
ready.
like me a little crop top. Buy a little crop top.
More like
wear
a
for
small
your
top.
birthday. Look, my muscles.
My boy.
It's tight.
What the rest of your shirt did that?
Look, I like a little crop.
So
See,
what
last
is
time
your
on the
shirt?
first show, I wore a little crop. So this time, I wore a little y'all like my little top? Look at that.
I know why I brought up
Okay.
the third one. Now,
Okay.
who want to be my next guest on the fourth, fifth,
See,
and
look.
sixth one? Come on, holla at your boy. I'm just
See.
kidding. Anyways, so yeah.
Oop, don't put the hair in.
Yeah, don't put the rasta. Last
Girl
time,
got some locks.
last time here wasn't this long.
No, it wasn't. You like the length?
Alright, yeah.
You like the length?
Box it around this, oh my God.
You like it?
Anyways.
Ooh.
Alright, so okay, anyways.
Let me tell
guys,
you, long hair make
thank you guys.
stupid.
Yeah, guys. See, thank you guys for joining on another episode of Dining with Chef Kirk, and I got this crazy one.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it is Chef Kirk's birthday month. Birthday. He's the birthday. Do your birthday, Dad. It's your birthday.
Hey, one time for my birthday, B.
One time
for my birthday, B. Hey. All right, enough of
You
that.
know when you
Enough
get
of that.
old, you
Enough
say,
of that.
hey.
It's your own journey. Okay. So on this mukbang, all right, I wanted to do some of my favorite dishes that I like to enjoy, and I wanted to bring Crazy on so we could
Crazy on.
so she could enjoy
Fit.
some
Fit. You see, he called me crazy, but your girl came looking cute for him on his mukbang birthday. You
Hey.
understand?
So,
I
yeah.
came cute. Usually, my head tied back. But you know, I let the hair out.
You know,
I
when
put
you
the
make certain
locks.
decision in life and you're like,
I put
why
the
did
locks
you make that
on, you
decision?
know?
This is one of those moments. This is one of those moments.
Your girl is
Anyways,
cute. If
while
I'm
my
cute,
my food is getting cold, let me tell you
Hit
what.
the like button.
Let,
If your girl is cute, hit the like button.
all right, they're not gonna hit it right now. Okay. Anyways, so I wanted to make some, some home style food with a little vegan option. Cause this one, she dabbles a little bit in the meat, but mostly in the vegan world. So what I did was I did some jerk chicken, and I decided to go with two different sauces, pineapple and mango jerk sauce. So you can decide which one you want.
Spicy or extra hot
Extra
or
hot.
holy?
Holy shiznick!
Which one?
So you determine which one you want to eat. I'm on,
Okay.
you know what I mean? Because again, you can put it over here anywhere. So we have some rice
Chef
and
at work
peas.
being a little modest, because you know.
So we have some rice and peas. We have some We have some curry chickpeas, and then we have a salad over here. So.
So you didn't make the avocado salad like last time?
Nah, man, we
You
can't
don't
make
like
the same
that
thing
for your
twice.
birthday?
Why am I making that twice for my birthday? No, that ain't going down for my
Because
birthday.
it was good.
Yeah, that's your business. You know what I mean? My birthday, she want food, select food. My food, up there, food. Anyways, so what was you about to ask him about something else?
You killed my thought, Chef at work.
Anyways.
Okay, so Oh, and I see you have some juice here.
Oh yeah, man! I made some special carrot juice. Can't tell you what in it. I have to kill it and tell you what in. It's a delicious food.
Kill him if you tell him what? Kill him if you tell him.
If you kill him if you tell him.
We have to kill him if you tell him.
You kill him if you tell him.
You have to kill him if I have to tell him.
Alright, so
I'm learning. You have to kill him if I have to tell him.
So I want to find out about what happened on your
Listen.
Hold on. Before I get to that,
it's your birthday.
It is my birthday.
We have to talk about Chef Kirk. Chef Kirk is 40. 40, okay? If you've been here for almost half of a decade, you have some knowledge and wisdom for us, okay? So we're gonna celebrate Chef Kirk. Don't he look good? Look at that. Don't he look good? You don't age, Chef at work. You don't age. Show them people. Tell them people. He gotta tell. Don't you guys want to know how he don't have no wrinkles?
Plantain.
No wrinkles. Let me check the wrinkles. This is how you check wrinkle. You have to do this right here. So take the two finger and then go. Take the other two finger and press down. Ooh, Chef at work.
You know I'm hungry. Right?
You gotta tell us what you use to be wrinkle free. See, you gotta test.
You know I'm hungry. That's what I said. I'm hungry. I'm starving. And this is the girl I did. Anyways. All right. Okay. So you want to be the first? Since you're my guest, you want to go first? All right.
What is your birthday? Okay. I'll let you go first.
All right. So rice and peas, people, with some plantain.
Mukbang.
I'm going to tell you. Hold on, next one. Come take it.
Mukbang.
Alright, so we're going to have one there. Man.
But you had to bring it a little closer, because they like.
Maybe alright, because I'm hungry, so.
So, you about to take all the rice.
Oh, sorry about that.
One serving.
There you go.
It looked pretty, so now it's like you just scoop it all off. And you took away all of the pretty. So, this.
Ingredients.
Okay. Oh, rice and peas. See, Chef Kirk loves Jamaican food. He's Jamaican, of course. And he loves, like his favorite food in the world is Jamaican food.
Mango jerk sauce.
Okay? That's why he created his own jerk sauce. And he gave it different flavors. So he have, what? Pineapple jerk? Mango jerk. What other flavors you have?
It's a chickpea curry.
Because, we love, your girl loves a little flavor. Little flavor.
I'm kicking brand new flavors in the air.
So, let me get a little plantain. Okay, he loves plantains. Love plantain. Okay, Chef at work. Let's talk about.
Talk about what?
Let's talk about how you got into. Listen, I'm the interviewer today.
I see.
Okay, it's your birthday, so I'm the host.
Okay, that sounds good.
I didn't cook this. No way this would have happened. No way. Restaurant. Okay.
Restaurant. Man,
okay.
Man, don't get no home cooked meal.
Okay. Restaurant. That's how the Jamaican say it? Restaurant. Okay. So, Chef Kirk. Okay, he did a little salad. Little healthiness. Chef at Kirk love a little healthy in his favorite meal. Okay, that's cute. Okay, so what we gonna try first? Okay, Chef, you didn't even wait for the guests. Just start by yourself.
I'm hungry.
Oh, you that hungry?
Yeah.
The food look good. Look, this is pretty. Look at that. Pretty. I'm gonna do a cute picture.
Oh.
Pretty. Okay, so first, right? All right, so let's talk about how you created this sauce, okay?
So,
you've been in this game, of the chef industry, right? And you own your catering company. You cook for Barack Obama and Michelle Obama, right? Okay, I'm gonna toot his little horn, people. Toot the little horn. All right, so tell us, tell us a little bit about you. Tell us how you got into cooking and then to the point where you created your own jerk sauce, okay? Buy this jerk sauce, beorganicatering.com. Beorganicatering.com, correct? Or just DM Chef Kirk. Chef Kirk at work on Instagram and order you a bottle of pineapple, jerks up. Buy that sauce for his birthday, people. Support black-owned businesses. Okay, we're gonna go back to the story. Have to throw a little plug in there.
At 20-something, I bought a restaurant, right? It's called whatever, in Miami. And it was before its time because we're doing organic and all natural food.
Wow.
So this is 10, 12 years ago before people even know what organic was down in Miami.
Right.
People really were studying it. So anyways, let me tell you.
So you moved from where to Miami?
From New York to Miami. So let me give you an advice.
What's the song?
From New York, country jungle,
See, I don't know the words. I'm telling from New. That's the song?
Yeah, that's rock. For Nation all day long.
Like this, put the fingers down?
No.
Or put the fingers up?
Rock Nation.
New York. I'm from Miami. We third.
Anyhow, I love Miami because Luke, Uncle Luke in the building. Anyways, back to my story. Man, Miami. That's when Miami was fun. So my story never gonna get told.
We're gonna go right, and you party, and eventually you get tired, right? So when it comes to, let's say, an entrepreneur, young entrepreneur, 20 years old, right, 21, whatever, and they want to get into and become an entrepreneur, what would you have told your 21-year-old self, or 22 or 23 when you started? How they should have, where they should have seek advice from?
Someone who is successful in what you're looking at doing.
There you go.
All right. And then on top of that,
Food tastes good.
on top of that, when you're new, you also have to do your own homework. You know what I'm saying? Even though you do have a mentor or a mentor, you make sure that you do your homework so you bring something to the table as well too. Because you just can't come to the table all empty-handed and empty-minded.
But what if you don't have no, well, empty-handed as far as knowledge?
Knowledge, not money. Not money.
Knowledge. Okay. Because you're 20 years old, you're trying to start entrepreneurship business.
Yeah, you're 20. That's the reason why. I mean, like I'm saying, that's why those guys online are doing great, because they're able to sell to these 20-year-olds because the 20-year-olds are hungry. You know what I mean? You want to leave your parents' house and you want to achieve the greatness.
Okay.
But and that's great. But the thing is, you gotta make sure that you protect your shit. Like, you know what I mean?
Who was that motivator for you? What is it? People, you can't stop. Oh, you got to put them around. We're going to spit out everywhere. That's like Mukbang. You talk and eat.
Right. Who was the motivator for me?
So at the time we started, who was that person, an elderly? So you telling them, look for somebody that's in your field, experienced and doing the damn thing, right? So when you got the itch in the drive to go into entrepreneurship or start, who was that person you looked at in the beginning?
Well,
where did the itch and the drive come from?
So two things. My mom has always been a hustler. My pops has been an entrepreneur. All of his life.
So you come from an entrepreneur family. You gotta get the chicken started.
How you gonna tell the story? Or you want me to tell the story?
Oh, sorry. You gotta get the chicken. You gotta get the chicken to try sauce.
You can't tell a story with Tressfit, because this is what she do. She cuts you off in the middle. You tell her. She asks you something, and the worst interviewer ever. Anyways, long story. Mom, thank you for the hustle, Mom. Without your loving and your blessing and your guidance on this food thing, I probably wouldn't be who I is. So thank you very much.
Yeah. So it started from.
Let's talk about something else. Let's
so it started from your mom, and yet listen, I'm the interviewer.
You terrible.
I'm Oprah, and you're the guest. Okay.
So, Oprah, I'm about to fire you. Where's Gail at? Gail, how am I girl Gail?
Okay. So, it's okay. So your drive, right? And let's say guidance, you got it from your parents. Because your dad is an entrepreneur and your mom is an entrepreneur, right? So your mom hustling and stuff and your dad doing the same thing. So that's where the drive came from, right? So then you saw that, you was like, well, if it worked for my parents, it'll work for me.
No.
Or if they doing it, I can do it.
No.
Okay, which phrase?
No.
Oh, this is spicy.
No. The bottom line is,
It's good though.
when I got an entrepreneur, like seriously, like when I got into it, like the food part, the food didn't come first.
Okay.
I was doing something else.
Okay.
And then, you know, and the passion that, like if I could make $1 in 10 minutes. 10 minutes I can make $1, tax-free $1. I'm not saying, I'm saying I do pay you. But I'm just saying, anyways, I'm the tax person. This ain't a tax person right now, so if I could make
no problems, Iris. We don't want no problems.
No problems at all. If we could make $1, hey, Trump just has $700 tax, and man, make $1 billion. Anyways,
this tax account
that's
must
my
be
point. I need to find, like, everybody mad at Trump right now. Listen, people, listen. I want y'all to listen to the 5 seconds. If one thing you don't take away from Mr. Donald J. Trump is that this mother lover put people around him that are smarter than him, that can get him benefits that he needs to let his life live eons from now. So what you need to do, surround yourself with those people, even though they're corrupt, you still got to find some little bit of benefit from them. Listen, I don't want him as a president, but at least I want him as a business person, and as to how to get rid of tax stuff, that man is a genius player. Anyways, off of that.
Well, his tax accountant is genius.
That's who I'm saying, but he's genius to find a tax person for once. He did one smart.
Give people
and he
didn't
fired that
smart
person. And he didn't fire that person, so that's pretty good.
He didn't fire him.
He didn't fire him, so you gotta look at that. You gotta do
He
something
did
right.
a good job for the past 4 years.
So hey, keep it up, Mr. Tax Person. Anyways, but I think when I realized that you can literally make more money, and gain your time, not the money, but gain more time by being an entrepreneur than you do working for someone. Think about it. You make $70 an hour. You work 8 hours. You work 40 hours for the week.
Mm-hmm.
You probably bring home about what, $600, $700 for the whole week, right? But if you're an entrepreneur,
you can make that in a day.
You can make that in a day. And then you have the rest of your week to do.
That's why I switched.
And then you have the rest of your week to do whatever you want to do with it. And I'm not going to glorify that, oh my God, you're making $500, $600 every single day. You don't. I mean, you're going to have your slow, but that's the reason why you have a good person that can, do the books for you, that can make sure that your numbers look good.
I've learned entrepreneurship in my 4.5 years, almost 5 years of being full-time entrepreneur, is that entrepreneurship teaches you in financial life how to work smart and not hard. Mm-hmm. You can make a lot more money and less time than extending the time. Mm-hmm. Like when you do 9 to 5. Ain't nothing wrong with 9 to 5 because 9 to 5 is what funded my entrepreneurship when I first started. So that was my fun. That was my capital right there. Because I was a saver. Yes. Amen for a saver. Amen. So, that's where I got my capital from to start my business. But what I've learned in the past 4.5 years, almost 5 years of doing entrepreneurship is that you make your money, you can make the money a lot, I won't say faster, but in less time. Mm-hmm. You can make a lot more money in less time. And then it can become automated for you, where you're not working or, like my dad do, construction, hammering the nail, for 8 hours in a day. You could have just made $700 in an hour. So that's the
allure, the attraction.
The what's the word I'm trying to find? That's the benefit or the pros of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship does come with a lot of work, I'm gonna tell you that, because it's not easy. When I first started, let me tell you, my capital started getting, and I was like, oh shoot, girl needs some money. I need more investment, I need more capital. Where I'm gonna get, that's another thing about entrepreneurship that I've experienced in those past couple of years up to today is that, capital is important. Funding is important. Funding, even if you do service or if you have a product, funding is very, very important. Okay, and
speaking of funding, I need a fund. So I'm just actually, I need fund the boy.
Fund Chef Kirk.
Buy one or two.
We're gonna plug you guys tonight because it's Chef at Work birthday.
For my birthday.
Okay.
You two can
so
help.
You can fund
help
Chef at Work.
Look at me, I'm skinny.
He is. Help Chef at Work. Zoom in.
Support. YouTube. Just $10 a day can help Chef at Work. Anyways, I'm sorry for this. No, but you're all right. I mean, entrepreneurship does need
it's funding. Where did your funding come from?
When I had a 9-to-5, I worked in the mortgage industry when I first started, and then my sister. Shout out to my sister, right? I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, my sister, my older sister, always held me down and taught me how to save.
Nice.
And then when I came to Florida, I kind of moved that up. You know what I mean? My bad, sis.
That's that Miami vibe.
That's that Miami vibe. But it wasn't partying and having fun, good time. It was more. I invested a lot of my money because I thought I saw a bigger game, if you know what I mean. I saw something before its time. Like in 2009, I decided to do a bicycle tour where I rode bicycles around the entire state of Florida. I came up with the concept, I came up with the idea that I wanted to educate people about the importance of organic because I knew all these health factors. Okay, yeah, I'm 40. I got good genes. It's not just the eating alone, but I do have good genes. If you see my mom, she looks like a young buck. She look like she's like 20. You know what I mean?
Plus.
Exactly. She look young. And my father the same way too. They don't. The aging process takes a little bit of time to catch up. So, but one thing I have to admit is like exercise, Tressfit, eating good. You know what I mean? Like even though you see me eating chicken here, I don't eat chicken every day. I don't eat meat every day. I eat more veggies and stuff of that nature than I do in my regular life cycle. And for the last 10 years, I haven't eaten fast food. So no McDonald's, no Burger King, no Taco Bell, none of that bullshit.
Soda?
I don't drink soda in the last 10 years as well too. So you're not gonna see me with a Pepsi or a Coke or none of that crap, because those things causes all sorts of health issues. And I'm not disrespecting anyone I don't do it, but over time it does cause
soda
a lot.
does.
You know what I mean?
The
sugar content.
You can't drink. It's not that you can drink soda.
You
but you can't drink soda every day.
Single day. You
and
can't
I know
every meal.
I've met people that do.
Mm-hmm.
They drink soda every single day. They can go through like a few cans of soda a day.
For no reason.
And shade at the soda industry or the companies.
But I am.
But it's not good. Too much of anything is bad for you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So look, the content I found out when I was speaking to, who was telling me that? A guy that stopped drinking soda, and he was like, 1 can of Coke have about 48 grams of sugar, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm wrong, we're gonna put it on the top.
Yeah.
I think it was 48, something like that, grams of sugar, which is a lot. Okay, imagine drinking 1 can a day.
That's the whole can. Like 48 grams of sugar is like, the can is like this big. 48 grams is like right here. That's all sugar.
Okay, so that's the thing. So, your word of advice, Chef Kirk, about, longevity, a healthy life, since you've been in the healthy world and promoting it and cooking the food and cooking for Obama, because, they're health fiends. Michelle, all that, Michelle Obama. I've been working on mine with Michelle Obama arms. Y'all see that? Okay. But I'm
just gonna press the food for a second.
What's that? Okay. Since they worked for Blue Cross Shield doing health drives. You've done, you rode around Florida for 40 days. 40 days, 40 nights. 40 days, 40 nights on a bicycle, promoting
40
eating
miles
healthy.
A day. So it's 40
miles a day for 40 days?
40 days for 40 nights.
Right. So promoting eating healthy, right?
Mm-hmm.
And eating organic and educating.
Jobs, talk about talk about everything that has to do with what you guys are seeing right now, the revolution of organic food and veganism and all that good stuff.
Right.
You know what I mean? And I was happy to not only thought about it and actually execute it. But to see the changes that's going on right now in the industry, and I'm really excited about it.
That's why you don't look your age.
Yeah, that's correct.
That's why. Look at that. Look at that big face. Turn to the left. Turn to the right. Right. Turn to
blue steel.
Okay, so that's the benefits of eating healthy people, eating your vegetables and stuff like that. Look like Chef at work when you're 40. Baby face. Okay?
No,
okay.
I'm thinking like if you have children, and you're gonna get older, and you're gonna have grandkids. You want to be able to have fun with your grandkids later in life, man. Flexibility, mobility. I highlight Tressfit for the flexibility and mobility.
Flexibility.
You know what I mean?
I can't flex that much in this little cute little crop top.
It might just work.
But if I have my little listen, I'm gonna be cute today. I'm gonna be cute. Chef at her birthday, right?
Right.
Fix my hair.
Push my balls.
And then be cute. Okay, so Chef Kirk, this food is hella good. Like, look at my plate. Look at that. This sauce, it's Chef at work. I think he tricked me because I think he did the highest spice he got, because this says regular spicy, but I think you gave me your other one, which is called, what was it called?
Holy shit.
The holy shit flavor. Okay, the holy flavor.
Think about it, I can't taste the holy shit anymore because I have no tongue taste buds anymore.
What am I taste buds?
They're all burned out. The thing about when you're the old tester.
Okay, Chef at work. So let's talk about what does Chef at work do? How did you celebrate your birthday?
Oh man. Y'all ain't ready for that.
They ain't ready for that.
All right,
Put a little clip. Look, there's a little clip up there. There's a little clip up there.
Yeah,
You're gonna see Chef at work thinking he Indiana Jones and he's this suave.
Suavemente. Well, this amazing person. This amazing, beautiful person. Crazy person.
I'm gonna eat a little
Decide that they wanted to spoil me for my 48th. And by all means, I must
He's so
recommend.
modest and conservative.
I must recommend.
He's just so modest with it.
I must commend her. She
So-
did an amazing job.
So one of the things that we did for Chef at Work birthday, we went to Mexico.
Ole!
Mexico is actually accepting people to come in their country, but you get checked. They do
Yeah,
a temperature check and everything.
they serious about that. I'm not lying.
Okay, so, but it was great vibes, right? And one thing we did hand gliding. Okay, Chef at Work after Chef at Work did skydiving with me on my birthday 3 years ago.
Pause for a second.
Watch the video. Yeah, that's a video of Chef at Work passed out.
Why would I want my 40th birthday to remember something that we did a couple years back by jumping out of the plane? Does that sound like something that I want to do?
Listen, you gotta be adventurous in life.
I wanted to go to this park and go drive they said they had go-karts. That's all.
The AV.
I want to go check it out. Get muddy, get dirty. That's what I want to do. And then jump in. Maybe they had like what else? They had
different things.
Oh. Forget the hang gliding for a second. This one decided that she wanted to go into the look thing. What they call it again? It's like
in Spanish they say Cenotes. Cenotes. So basically, it's a sinkhole. It's fresh, clear water and rocks, limestone rocks. So these limestone rocks break down and they create this sinkhole. And then when the hole is created, and the water come in, so they break apart. So they have them. There are different ones all over Mexico. So that was one of the things I wanted to check out and check out. But it freaked me out.
So we get it. So let me tell you, right? So we get into this sinkhole. This Cenotes.
Cenotes.
This Notes. All right. So Cenotes, and so we
that's how the guy say you have to put the Latin. Cenotes. At first we're saying
Cenotes. Like, yo, that's Cenotes? You're like, the hell's Cenotes?
And the girl's like,
you mean Cenotes?
You mean Cenotes?
Yes. Like, yeah, that's what we just said. Same thing. Doesn't matter.
No, it's different. Learn the language.
So we there now. We there and they gave us a couple of options. They're like, okay, well, you can swim the cenotes, or no. First thing is like you can swim the cenotes. You go down deeper. It's beautiful. It's blah blah blah. You wear a life dress and
life jacket.
And I was like,
are you drinking? I
think this is liquor in it. I never put liquor in
it. You put a little.
Put a dab of Jamaican rum in that bad boy. Put some hair up on your chest. You know what I said? Yeah. But
you know me, I said.
You know what I said. So anyway, so the guy was like, oh, you know, you could swim now. We can't swim.
2 options.
Yeah, Caribbean people don't swim.
That's a lie. Don't say that. That's so
not all
stereotype.
Caribbean people.
Caribbean people go after him.
Majority
Chef Kirk at work.
Listen,
Chef Kirk.
let's look out with the wrong water don't mean we can't swim.
My dad knows how to swim.
He's a special case.
Oh, okay.
I understand? Special.
All my brothers know how to swim.
They're Americans. They're in the Caribbean island. We don't go to the water for swimming. We go to look nice and bushy and fly. Nice girls. Anyways, so Poppy was like, oh, you know, you could swim. You push her, and you know, you could. I'm like, I can't swim. He's like, you can't swim. You can walk in. I was like, why you want to tell us that? I was like, what the hell? Why you telling us that?
They tell you to swim first.
To swim, exactly. I said you go drown your ass and then.
Cenotes is.
You know what that remind me of? Like, remember the time like we went to Bahamas?
Oh shoot! Like that was a trip to Bahamas, and then we went like snorkeling. You didn't dive. You just snorkel. You know, float on top of water, and you have your little, you know, the snorkeling gear. And then when you get to the coral reef area, it's shallow. Right?
Oh.
Right? So you can actually see the coral reef. That's the whole point of snorkeling. You're not gonna snorkel and look at dirt. Sand. That's the point. Right, you just stay in the shallow part in the beginning.
That's what I want. I
thought. So we got on the little boat.
I was excited about this whole thing, right? Oh yeah. I'm gonna jump in the water. I'm gonna go see the fishes and all that stuff. We get there, she freezes up. Oh. You go first.
Okay, I did freeze up.
I'm like, me
it
go
started
first.
to rain. No, it didn't rain yet.
It didn't rain yet, but I'm like, me go first.
Okay.
I'm like, why am I going first? No, you go first. I'm like, in my mind, I'm like, I can't swim, but this life vest is supposed to make me look good. This is like early hour when I'm trying to holler at her, you know what I mean? And I'm like, I can't be a little, you know what I mean? I can't be a little jerk right now, you know what I mean? I can't be a little, you know.
So this is when he's trying. This is when he's trying to show his macho. You know, go drown.
I got this, girl. Don't worry about that. I got that.
Go drown.
So yeah.
Go drown.
So I jump in. I mean, like I said, again, in my head, I can jump in first. I jump in.
He jumped in first.
Zoom.
You know how you just a bad dive?
It was more like a flat. You know what I mean? Like that. You know, the vest is what saved me. And I'm like, okay, this ain't nothing to it then. I'm like, okay, come on down. I'm doing it, I'm floating. I'm like, I'm doing something, I guess.
So
you know
I see
mean?
him go in, and then so I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna go. Because this was the thing I wanted to do. I have this little phobia of water that I'm trying to get over, so that's why I do these little sports and stuff. We'll sign it and deal with it. So, but anyways, so I get in, and then once I get in, and you know, put your head in the water, you in a different world.
So, I saw Tressfit, oh my God, this is Kirk, go ahead, put your head down, put your head on. My God, yeah, put it on into the water. Black dude, yeah, brother, you can't look back for your girl, man, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm like, what I gotta do with nothing, man? I can't do nothing, brother, you know what I'm saying? So at this point, I'm like, all right. I see her down there, she's doing it. Oh my God,
I'm like,
it's so fish, oh my God, it's so
good. I'm like, it's so
amazing. And I'm I'm like, all right, let me go check this out.
You want me to tell this part?
Go ahead, man.
As soon as Kirk put his head down to look in the coral reef area. So it was a lady or whatever, because it was a group of us that was snorkeling, and then she saw a barracuda in the water. So she's like, "Oh, did you see the barracuda?" And it's correct. Barracuda. Kirk panicked and started. Oh, this is a shark. Kirk said shark. Everybody was cool. Everybody was enjoying the coral reef. The little school of fish passing by. The beautiful rainbow of the coral reefs underneath by the rocks and everything. I think I even seen what's his name? Nemo in there. Okay, I saw Nemo and his brothers and his dad. Look at his dad. Okay, I saw that. It was amazing. This fool right here called shark everyone. And imagine it's about what? 10 people? 10 people snorkeling.
Let me tell you something. She came up, her face was panicky, and she said,
"No, it didn't.
I saw a shark."
No.
Everyone heard barracuda.
No.
My brain heard barra shark. I heard
what?
See, I heard barra shark. That's what she said. She said barra. Beware of shark. That's what I heard.
What?
So when she comes, I am saving everybody because today on my watch, on Chef Kirk at Work watch, nobody gonna eat by shark. I say people like that day.
What the puppy said? No. Nunca. Don't do water sports with this chef, okay?
You want to do it with me.
He's great at cooking.
You want to do it with me. Because guess what?
You make sauce.
I'll make sure everybody get out alive.
Okay.
You see she here today, right? That's because of my thinking.
Oh.
If I ain't think fast on the feet, like this, those guys on the boat.
What's this mean?
On the feet, I'm
What's
quick.
this
I'm
mean?
quick. I was like, bam, 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 bam. I for ya.
What this mean?
I was swimming. Oh man, I don't know how I was swimming, but I was swimming. I was moving. I pulled everybody to the boat. We gonna do this together. Everyone is like, oh my God, a shark! And I was right, because it was a shark. Probably wasn't right then and there, but he was a shark somewhere.
I looked down and I saw a barracuda.
I saw a shark.
We're not the same.
Nunca.
We're not the same. We're not the same, Poppy. We're not the same. Let me tell you something. This guy, no.
Anyways, so
Save me.
So that was that trip, and that was fun.
Kirk had those people scatter to get on the boat, back on the boat. I said shit, but back on the boat as fast as they can because he had people in there, and thank God. It started to rain. So when it started to rain, so we have to deal with all of his hallucination.
My bravery.
It started to rain, so that's when they told us we gotta get back on the boat and then.
That's what I heard.
Never.
I was like,
talk with your man.
Hey, listen, that's curry.
You know that too?
Yeah, that's curry. You can't get that bad boy out.
Messed up my crop top.
I messed it up. You the one that can't get your big lips. Anyways, so Papi told us that we could walk through the water. Cenotes. We could walk through the cenotes, right? We could walk through. So I was like, okay, cool. We tell Scott, Papi should told that from that time. He was like, so Jesse was like, so okay, how far is the water? So Papi is about like, let's say 5'2". He's like 5'2". Jesse's about like 5'6", 5'7". So
I'm 5'7" and a quarter. No, and 3/4.
So anyway, so Papi was like 5'2".
Give me my 3/4.
5'7" and 3/4. Excuse me.
Give me my 3/4.
So Papi's about like 5'2". So Papi looked at Jesse, looked at me, and it was like, water is up to here. Up to here, Mila, up to here. I said, hold on. And I'm looking at him, and I'm like, okay, well, if it's up to there, then I'm good. Because, you're 5'2", I'm 6 feet, she's 5'7", so we good. We should be good. You know what I mean? But then I started thinking, like, is he really mean like up to his hair? Or is he talking about like somebody else's hair? No, we would say up to here. They should be talking about their height. You know what I mean?
He put on his chest.
He's like,
he put on your chest because you're 6 feet tall.
He should have did that and be like, he's up
Kirk
here,
is
Papi.
6 feet
You know what I
tall.
mean? And they would have been like
5'7" and 3/4.
Okay.
Poppy 5'3". I give him 5'3" the most.
Most like top.
And he said up to
Up
here.
to here. Puppy. But on himself. So we're like, so me and Justin looked at him.
If he did up to here on Kirk, because Kirk is way taller than him, then I'll be like, okay.
Let's get this vest. You know what I mean? To be on the safe side. You know what I mean? So Poppy said, no, you're cool. You can walk through it, man. You don't need no vest. What are you, a little bitch? I was like, that's what he said to me. I mean, yeah, that's what he said to me. She just said, here. He was like, what are you, a little buta? I was like, hey, I ain't no buta. I'm a man, first and foremost. You just say, here, you walked away at the time because we had that conversation, but you wasn't there. So anyways, so we decided to go into the water now, no vest. We were the only people there. All the other people went miles ahead of us. Yeah, Jesse always put me up front to go first. You step out first. Go test the waters. Go test the waters. I'm like, why am I gotta test? Why gotta be test dummy, man? Why you can't go first? If something happened, I can grab you. I'm stronger. I can go like, I got you.
It's your birthday. It's an experience.
But whatever.
40. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. So I step out in this new world, this new venture.
Cenotes.
More like sin. Straight sin. It's a pitch black. The water is very pretty because they have the light underneath the water shining up. And you see how clear this water is. I mean, it's spring water. It's spring water, right?
Yeah, it's natural.
Spring water. Very natural. I mean, like just beautiful. But it's a tunnel. It's a cave. You know what I mean? It's a cave.
Yeah.
It's not.
They turn into different
daylight.
ones.
You know,
There's
it's
one
a
that
cave.
the pit, and it goes, it's at a certain height and then it drops all the way in. And then there's the water. There's natural water.
Mm-hmm.
The cave. So then when it creates the sinkhole, then there's the holes go in different. They create different
directions, different tunnels.
Yeah, different tunnels. There you go. That's all. So.
Doctor, who's here? That's what we should ask.
And then he said, make sure.
For clarification, Poppy, you're here or our here? You know what I mean? Like, we should have said that. So after we walked about, let's say from Poppy about like 10 feet from Poppy. And then, cause he disappeared, cause we turned around the bend. And then Jessie was like, oh, I got this. So she decided to go in front now.
Nothing. We're walking this?
So she made a step and there was no floor. So I mean, what? What is it? What is it? Who that? Who that? There's no floor. I was like, what do you mean there's no floor? I said, what do you mean there's no floor?
I don't feel nothing. It feels like you're about to fall in.
I was like, what do you mean there's no floor? There gotta be floor. You know what I mean? There gotta be floor.
I said, you go try it then.
So I go try it. I was like, oh, okay. It's
so
down there.
Step down.
So it's a step down. But it was so early for this. I thought it would be like later on in the walk tour, like, you know what I mean? Maybe like about probably 10 minutes in, we get that, but not like right then as soon as you turn the bend. You know what I mean?
From first base to third base like that.
Like that. We went and the water came up to here. Like, I was like, Poppy's a freaking liar.
Right up to here.
Right up there. She was like, I was like,
up to here for me.
Poppy was a freaking
Maybe
liar.
up to here for Kirk.
Yeah, like right here. It was right here.
I'm right here. Kirk's right there.
I think you want to go. You want to turn back and get the vest. And I heard people coming, and she's like, no, I can do it. I can do it. I was like, all right, man. I was like, cause I'm good. You know what I mean? I tried to reach right here. Poppy was right. He was right here. Now, Poppy, you know what I mean?
Right
he got me. For her, he's
right
like,
here for Kirk. So he was right about Kirk, but not about me.
Not about her. You know what I mean?
You
can't see your floor. You know what I mean? It's beautiful.
You have to feel.
You have to feel. You have to feel your way through. And it's just like, so everything that touches you, rocks.
So be careful your toes. You will bang your toes. So you have to take your time. You have to literally, like, you know how to, when they walk on the moon?
Wear those water shoes. Wear water shoes.
Yeah, but we already knew that.
Yeah, we knew that. But I'm telling you,
we already knew that.
Wear water shoes because, man.
But they won't let you go if you don't have.
I stepped on a rock, and I swear if I didn't have that water shoes, that thing would have impaled me, man. I was like, this is. But it was fun, though. It was fun. And after we got to. No. So what we decided to do, they're like, I'm not
really slow to see.
Because what happened is this one freaked out. So now the Spanish people like, oh hell no, we ain't going forward. So we're like, y'all wanna go? No, we good. You know what I mean? I'm like, damn dog, we gotta truck through this thing. But it was fun though. I mean, they had a slide, they had the slide at the end, you get to do the Superman at the end. Was that one or?
Yeah, that was that one.
Yeah, you get to do the Superman slide at the end.
The ending was great.
Ending was awesome.
The beginning, you have to go through the tunnel. The tunnel, it's nice, it's beautiful, but the part that freaked me out was the fact that I couldn't see my feet. So I couldn't see the path along the way where my feet was stepping. Your birthday mukbang.
My birthday, my 4-0 mukbang.
You gotta do it. Birthday mukbang. You just gonna leave me hanging?
Yeah, you're gonna do it.
Whatever. Birthday mukbang. Okay, so I see you ate everything. You know, the salad was really good. Really good. Really
Rice
good.
is banging.
Rice and peas banging. Did you make it with a different type of rice?
No, I made it with brown rice. I didn't use. Traditionally, you're supposed to use like white rice or brown rice.
That's what island people use.
Yeah, but I don't want 40 to be bloated. I want 40 to be sexy. You know that 4, that 0. I want that 0 to. I want that 0 to.
40 is the new 20.
No, I want to forget 20. I want 20. 40 is the new 40. 4. Oh.
Okay, the chickpea was amazing. The chickpea curry. Listen, you guys, this right here, amazing. I think, did you get your curry from Jamaica?
Yeah.
I think he must have flew. Or your mom?
Mom sent that thing.
Oh.
Yeah, moms.
Thanks, moms.
You know, for the.
Okay. And then
but now it's a vegan. On the vegan.
The fresh juice with a little rum.
Hey, listen, lick it rum, make it feel nice. You understand? Everything feel airy. What you say? Everything airy?
Everything airy.
Airy. We gonna get there.
All right.
You don't even want a piece of chicken, but the chicken was on point.
The chicken was good. I'm not a big meat eater anymore. So I eat it here and there, but not most of the time. I'm plant-based.
So what I did with the chicken, you know what I mean? I wanted to do jerk, but because I have 2 different options, I wanted to provide 2 different flavors.
It was good. I liked it better with the mango jerk.
Yeah, the mangoes are, because this is more with fish. Pineapple.
Like if you did curry.
Or you do a salad, you can throw this on top of a salad. But this right now is for your meat.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It tastes really good with the chicken.
With your chicken.
And then what I did was I did the curry and then with the rice and I put the pineapple.
That gives a nice little flavor to it. Yeah. But people
do that dance.
People, it's lit. Tressfit this guy yard.
We're not.
Man.
We're done.
Yeah, we're done, man. Before the 8:30. What? The juice almost done.
Oh, hold on. Wait. Pause. I got something. Wait. Chef at work. You know, I'm excited. You know, you had the little napkins this time. You know, last time Chef at work, y'all already started the first episode.
Yeah, I had to step my game up.
For his birthday. Thank you for stepping up for your birthday.
The next one, I ain't know about the next one.
Thank you for stepping up for your birthday.
I had to step my game up on this one.
Look.
You know, utensils on point. You know what I mean? Had a different, serving utensils as well.
All the pretty look. He brought out all his little pretty serving dishes and stuff. First one, I don't know what happened to him.
Yeah, if it doesn't do it, if it do the first one, understand? You can't give him everything on the first one.
I'll be back.
Right?
You talk to me, but I'll be back. Give me 1 second.
People, well, thank you guys for watching another beautiful episode of. Well, people, I know where Tressfit went.
I'm still here.
Me and Mango Jerk Sauce over here. Hey guys, listen. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Pick up a bottle. Got 3 different levels to it. You have what's this? Spicy. You have under spicy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You gotta do the mukbang style. Take the cake,
birthday
So
to
now you hold it. Chef Kirk.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Look at that.
Yay, did you make
Happy
it?
birthday, Chef. Made. That's why they got bakers.
I see.
They got chef and they got bakers. He's a chef and I went to the baker to get this. Okay? That's what you do. You got enough people cook out there.
Enough people.
Enough people.
Okay,
You don't have to hurt your head.
Alright, whatever floats your boat.
I do fitness. I don't
Alright,
cook.
Eli, she can't cook. She's just lazy. Alright, well, guys.
Okay, so look. Alright, so birthday. Go shorty. It's your birthday. What's your birthday?
Like it's birthday. Oh.
All of that. Okay? Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. And blow the candle. One more. Oh, no, I'm ahead. I'm not. Listen. So I got you the chocolate.
So that's chocolate.
This is chocolate.
Oh, the lava cake.
The lava cake. Let's move the sauce a little bit.
This over here.
Okay. So let's let the people see all the effort that
They
I
can
put.
see from it. Yeah, put my sauce. Put the sauce in the side.
Okay, put the sauce to the side, and I'm gonna leave my juice right there. Okay. So I went with all my effort, and I got the lava cake. Cause chef at work, sometimes you like chocolate, sometimes you don't. So all depends. And then carrot cake. You know, I love carrot cake, but for some odd reason, this guy likes it too. Okay.
Not for some reason. I love carrot cake.
Yeah. All right, chef at work. You wanna go first, okay?
Okay.
Since you wanna end this mukbang and go home, cause you know somebody gotta watch
I'm
the dishes.
home, so you know.
I don't live that far. I don't live that far.
Yeah, you gotta get that deporting list. Let's move that out that way. All right, so I'm gonna try
what you wanna try first?
Carrot cake first, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try the carrot cake. Okay, I'm gonna try the carrot cake right after you. I don't really like the cream, but
this cream is not bad. It's not bad.
carrot cake good.
Right.
Let it
Let me try the melted.
let it melt. Should let it melt from the front.
No, it's not bad.
So people can see it. Bang.
Carrot. There you go.
Okay, so let's try chocolate.
That's good.
Oh, this is good. You know, chocolate is a girl's best friend.
Let me try this cream. Ooh. Yes, it's a good cream. There's a good crust when it's breaking up and hear that little crack, crack, crack.
I don't really like creme brulee, but I'll try it. You like it? Oh, yeah, the crust. Look at that.
Nice and caramelized.
And they give you a little baker. You gotta waste your time. Put the effort. Go to the store.
All right, well, people, thank you for celebrating my birthday with me.
Yes.
Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Diner with Chef Kirk and Chefy and Tressfit.
Tressfit, huh? Yeah, and her. This is my thing, and her.
Well, thank you for.
This is your mukbang birthday.
Thank
you for the invitation.
You're welcome.
I appreciate
Thank you for joining me.
Okay, when are we gonna do the next one?
We even done this one. Actually, you want the next one. People, thank you guys for watching.
Happy birthday to Chef
Finish this
Kirk.
food up.
Buy a sauce.
Buy the please, and thank you.
Buy a sauce. He have them in stock.
Yeah, the link is in the bio. Hit that link in the bottom.
Hit
that
the link.
in the bottom.
Subscribe.
Bye. At the bottom.
Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Okay. That's it.
Alright.
Please remember, follow Tressfit.
Follow me, Tressfit, on Instagram, IG, Facebook, and YouTube soon.
YouTube is there. Just that
YouTube is there. I just got to put a little more
effort into it.
Well, Chef Kirk, you just turn up. So you like the chocolate the most. Wow.
I don't know, I had the carrot, but the carrot, like I said, the icing is thick.
It's
Alright.
thick.
Alright, people.
This is great. I'm full. Look, all my abs gone. See, when you eat.
All I'm gonna get is a phone call and wake up early in the morning tomorrow.
Let's go work out.
Let's go work out.
Listen, you gotta burn it. You gotta flush it out. Okay? But this is great. Bye.
Bye. Boom.